dub one video into multiple languages thanks to AI. Now you can watch English videos into Hindi, into different languages.
You're fired.
It's Christmas.
Yeah, I see the decorations. Good luck in the new year. तुम्हें निकाल दिया गया है. ये क्रिसमस है. हाँ, मुझे सजावट दिख रही है. नए साल में शुभकामनाएं.
Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. I hope you're well. Spoiler alert for new viewers, consider subscribe to appreciate my efforts. We have this type of interface after open the Elevenlabs.io in the web browser. You have this type of interface after sign in. You have to click on the menu and select the tool called dubbing. What you can use it for: social media content, marketing, education and e-learning as well. And just scroll up, we have this kind of interface now. First of all, type project name and then you can select the language for your original video. If you don't know, simply set it to detect. This will automatically detect, and then you have to choose a desired language. What do you want in the output for the export? Apart from that, we have also versatility to upload video instead of from media. You can upload from YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, X, formerly Twitter, and so on. After uploading the media, this will take some time for uploading. Show you this type of interface. This will show you preview as well and also the original video size. By the way, new to the channel, make sure to consider subscribe. My recommendation is always try with MP3 files, mean audio files. This will take some time for processing and show you this type of interface. I'm speeding up this process to save your time. We have the download button underneath and other options as well. As you can see here, when you click on the download button, this will show you exactly the size. The dubbing quality is also really good. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about it. This is the video for today. I hope you really like it. Subscribe, like, share with others. See you next time with another video.